Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to find quotient and remainder. So given two input values as input to your Python program, so these are the numbers. So you have to perform a division and try to find out the quotient and remainder. So when you try to perform a division, that is x is a dividend and y is a divisor, so you get a quotient and remainder. So let us try to solve this Python program. So let me take two variables, that is x and y. So this will be used to store the dividend and divisor. So let's use the input function called to ask a user to enter dividend. Yeah, so once the user enters the input value, so it will be of string type. So let us convert from string type to an floating type value. Yeah, so let's take another variable y and again use the input function called to ask a user to enter divisor. Let me copy paste the same and modify this. Yeah, again we are converting the value or the number to a float. So now once we are done getting the input values, so we have to try to perform a division. So let us use a try block. So the reason I am using the try block is because if the y value is 0, so 0 division is not possible. So you need to have handle the runtime exception. So let's use a try block. So let's try to perform the quotient and remainder, try to get it. So let's use a q for the variable to store the quotient. So let us try to perform the true division. So true division is nothing but also an integer division. So this is how we try to perform the, that is true division, that is q equals to x true divided by y. So now let's take a remainder r equals to x modulus y. So this will give us the remainder. So now once we done with getting the quotient and remainder, so let us try to print it. So let's use a print function and let's say quotient is, so let's give colon and percentage point to f. So we are trying to perform the, that is try to trim out the there, that is excess of decimal values other than two decimal values. So let's give percentage q. Yeah, so once we are done printing the quotient, so let us try to print the remainder. So again, let's try to use a print function. Remainder is, so this will generally be of that is integer type, so no need to use a floating value. So yeah, just print the q and the remainder directly. Yeah, so this is how we try to print the quotient and remainder. So we have to catch an exception in case of negative scenario where y value is 0. So let's use the except and try to catch the zero division error. And let's try to print, let's say error division by 0 is not possible. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to ask a user to enter two numbers and then try to perform the, that is try to get the quotient and remainder. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the program, so let's say something like 18 and divisor is 3. So you can see quotient is 6.0 and remainder is 0.0. So you can see that is 3 can completely divide 18. closing it. So let me rerun it again and enter the dividend. So let's give something like 33 and 4. So you can see quotient is 8.0 and remainder is 1.0. Closing it. Yeah, so let me run it again. So now let's give 33.33 and remainder is 4.4. Sorry, divisor is 4.4. So you can see the quotient is 7.0 and remainder is 2.5299, etc. So we have to obviously include the that is floating conversion. So let's give percentage point to F and again here percentage. So let's remove the comma. Again here, let's give percentage point to F. So now let me rerun it again. And now let's give 33.3 and let's give 4.4. So you can see this how it works. 7.0 is a quotient and remainder is 2.5. So let me run it again. So enter the dividend 45 and 0. So you can see error it has occurred. Division by 0 is not possible. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the quotient and remainder. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.